Before cleaning the inside of your scanner, first clean your photos with a soft, dry cloth. Dust on your photos can cause white lines or other distortions to appear in your scanned images, and in extreme cases can scratch the finish on your photos. The microfiber cloth included with your scanner should only be used for cleaning the scanner. Be sure to use a different cloth to clean your photos. Make sure the scanner is unplugged. Then, release the lever and open the scanner cover. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the rollers inside the scanner cover. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the pickup rollers. Plug in the scanner and press the power button to turn it on. Hold down the scan button for at least 2 seconds. Then press it again several times to rotate the rollers. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the rollers as they rotate. When you are finished, turn the scanner off and unplug it. Wipe off any dust or dirt on the glass inside the scanner. If the glass is stained with grease or other hard-to-remove material, use a small amount of glass cleaner on a soft, dry cloth to remove it. Be careful not to place too much force on the glass and make sure to wipe off all remaining liquid. Now, close the scanner cover. Plug in the scanner and turn it on. For more information on using your scanner, watch the other Epson FastFoto videos listed here.